So yeah, that's fun. Starting to hear some raindrops. Woo! So yeah, I'm kind of dumb for being outside, but I'm here.
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Monday night, last day of February. What are you laughing about?
This is the way you're talking.
Quit.
Just
I
talk
quit.
normal.
I am talking normal.
That's
so, it's the last day of February because there was 29 days this month because of leap year. Amanda didn't know that there were 365.25 days in the year. That's why we have a leap year, so I explained her that. We went to
there was a leap year.
We went to, but you didn't know why there was one. We went to the store yesterday, and we're gonna do our best, our damnedest, to eat healthier. So tonight we are cooking a little bit of. This is shrimp with cilantro and lime in it. Then we got some green beans over here we're gonna make up. So we're gonna try to do better. So there's Amanda. She's helping me cook a little bit. So she's cooked the green beans. So that's half of it. I'm not even talking crap. I mean, and you're trying to get all peed off and stuff. Have you ever? So we're just hanging out here at the house. We had to put Bane up because he was kind of being a butthead. Him and Logan are getting along better. Logan is, he'll sit and he'll look at him and smell of him and stuff. So we cleaned the house a little bit earlier and did stuff like that. So we're gonna eat our dinner probably and maybe watch. No, we're gonna watch this movie. The second one's coming on. The one with Whoopi Goldberg. So there's Bane. He's so cute. He went to the doctor today for his first set of shots with us, and the women there just thought he was the cutest thing ever. And they weighed him. He weighs already at 10 weeks. He weighs 23.1 pounds, so he's gonna probably be big. So anyhow, that's all that's going on with us. You guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. Get it, Logan! Steal it from him! The dogs are playing. Logan's doing better. Look, he's even smelling of him a little bit. What do you think about that thing, Logan? See, he won't go get it himself, but if I bring it to him, Logan will fight the crap out of Bane. So, that's what's going on tonight. Amanda's eating some ice cream, because that's what we do. Deuces. Dog's nuts. This is like 8 nights. It's every night. Every night he plays with this bowl. I don't understand it. I don't think he understands it. He chews on it. He'll run and jump on it and slide. I guess he's done with it now. Now he's coming over to check me out. Do not chew on the camera cord. Stop. Stop. Good boy. Now he's going to use both.
Sometimes he can't choose.
Yeah, the other night he had the tire and his lamb that he were carrying around at the same time. We got the house halfway clean for Judith coming by tomorrow. I guess we'll allow her to come over. Oh, now he switched. Watch, I bet he goes over there and pisses. Nope, he's going to get my shoe. He's going behind the fan where I put my shoe and getting my shoe. That's what he's doing right. Bane, no. He doesn't understand that word yet. Bane, no. Good boy. Good boy, Bane. Bane. Come here, buddy. Bane. Come here. What you doing? Every day in Texas. Texas.
We're going to pick my mom up. Oh, I almost stepped in poop. Thanks for picking it up. No, you didn't tell me that.
Are you recording right now?
Yeah.
And I've ever been. Get on there. You're too good for your home.
As I was saying, we are going to
Pick up Judith.
get my mom at the airport. And it's spring break. Why are you laughing at me?
Because you're cute. I laugh at cute things. That's why I laugh at jokes and little stupid dogs.
Okay. Anyway, that's what we're doing. It's spring break. We're happy.
I can see up your nose from here. I'm just kidding.
Well, we found her, but we don't know where she is. Like, we don't know how to get to her, basically. So she's coming to us. Just go over it. There she is. Yay! There she is.
Concern now is right along 377. It is now east.
Hey guys, we haven't videoed in a while. We've just kind of been busy and lazy at the same time. Here, since it's kind of been March and going back and forth between like hot and cold weather, like the tornado warnings have gotten kind of crazy, and we're dealing with another one. Mom can tell you I drove through a pretty scary situation a couple weeks ago, and it was pretty scary. Like, I really thought there was going to be a tornado, but anyway, we're going through another tornado right now, or not a tornado, a tornado warning, and just want to let y'all know what's going on. Nothing crazy, just a little bit of circulation like just north of us right now. Please ignore my messy house. Bill's outside trying to video the storm.
Talk to us. That one doing better than this one?
Well, I mean, I hope so.
Same.
I didn't put Bane up. So yeah, that's fun. Starting to hear some raindrops. Woo! So yeah, I'm kind of dumb for being outside, but I'm here. I'm gonna go inside now. Maybe. I've always loved thunderstorms, like ever since I was little. I really loved watching lightning Thunder never scared me. Tornadoes scare me. Tornadoes definitely scare me. The possibility of a tornado definitely scares me. But I've always loved, whoa, did you see that? Crap. Okay, it looks like the cloud is coming down.
Where?
If you can, once it lightnings a little bit, you can see the cloud coming down.
Where at?
Right, I don't know.
Like over that
see?
way?
I'm a little paranoid about tornadoes, to be honest.
It's not that way. It's that
Yeah,
way.
this is actually the opposite direction that the tornado. I'm not being too stupid by being up here. Sorry, Mom, I'm outside during a tornado warning.
Get over it, Judy.
What's going on, Bane? What's happening? Is that rain?
Stuff falling from the sky. Water falling from the sky. I can't really get.
Bill's getting his car washed. Go get some soap, honey. Wash your car.
Bang.
Come
He's
here.
like, I'll go outside. Oh my god, maybe he has to go outside. Your dog's gonna get blown away.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sit. Sit. Good boy. Bane. Stay. Good boy. Sit. Bane. Sit. Figure it out. You know what it means. Bane. Sit. 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 Good boy, Logan. Bane, sit. He gets jealous and tries harder when he sees Logan getting them. Sit. Go on, buddy. Sit. You've been doing this for like 30 minutes. You got it. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Good boy. Bang. Sit. 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 Sit.
He's a little bit stubborn.
Sit. No. Good boy. Stay. He was sliding. I don't think that was his fault. Sit. He's so intense though. He's like, I gotta get that. Sit.
Logan's like, I'm being good.
Bang. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Good boy. There you go.
Jeez.
And at the very end, it was Bryson DeChambeau.
Look at that, Bane. You like your new toy?
Finally understood.
Logan doesn't know what to think about it.
You like to chew on everything. He was just smelling it, babe. It's okay. You do it to him all the time.
What you doing?
Go get it.
You like it?